I thought I'd do something a little strange and give an unboxing using my helmet cam. I don't know how this is going to work, but my helmet actually has a somewhat okay microphone for this kind of thing, and I just thought the GoPro internal microphone was just not going to do it. So let's get started. This is the DJI Mavic Mini Everyday Fly Cam Fly More Combo. This is the ultralight 199 gram Japanese version. So without further ado, let's open this little thing up. And I did cut the little thing off here, the little tape thing. It says it's going to come with, okay, the case to hold it, 3 batteries, 2 extra batteries, one comes with it, the charger that doubles as a charger, the controller, the actual drone itself, some propeller guards. I'm just going to open this up and I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first drone for me. I have like another little one that was 70 or 80 bucks and got it off a recommendation, but I could never get it stabilized right. So here we go. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see. That looks pretty nice. Everything's got a little QR code on it. I wonder what Google would say with these QR codes. Alright, so this looks like the Mavic Mini combo accessories. The prop guards, I'm assuming. Little icons on everything. It's pretty nice. Let's see what they got in here. Let's see if that's what that is. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Well, if I can figure out which side they want me to open it on. The side without the stickers. And yes, here they are. Some nice little prop guard. Oh, they got QR codes on them too. How about that? Alright, let me put those away. I'm not going to fly them in this room right here. Alright, let's check this out here. See, DJI Mavic. What do we got? Oh, but there's more. Let's see. Alright, we'll get to you in just a second. I guess this is supposed to be books. And it does have this little thing on it. It's is this like a kind of carry case kind of thing where you pop this thing out and you can say, hey, I got my travel bag. Oh, we can peek it. Oh, of course, there's a Facebook logo there with DJI barely. This is the reveal. The secret reveal is www.dj. Okay. Alright, well, we'll just close that little guy. See what it is over here. I'm going to say it's probably like instructions, safety warnings. Don't fry bacon in the nude kind of tips. Fly more combo. Well, I can't see what it says on there, but it's in Japanese, that's for sure. And here's a quick start guide. Let's see. 1. Check out this QR code. Doesn't it look like all the others? Okay, connect that and connect that. Okay, well, we'll get to that a little bit later. Mavic Mini here. Ooh, and we get some no safety things, I would assume. Don't step on it. Okay, don't put your finger or toes in the props. Alright, so just some little warnings and instructions. And take that and put those guys over here. Let's see what we got. And as I said, this is my first kind of official professional, though every other drone pilot doesn't call it professional drones. This must be the charger. I would peek, but it might say Facebook again. Let's see. Open here. Yes, this side works. Ooh, it looks just like the one from like an Android like I have. Okay, adapter. Power. What kind of adapter would it be? With those prongs on it. That's the Japanese style prong. You can see they're both the same size. Universal. Alright. I can somehow get power to it. Then we have another box here. And this box has a picture of, looks like a battery. Oh, maybe all 3 of the batteries in here. And yes, these are the batteries. Now the difference between the Japanese version and the US version, from my understanding so far, is that these batteries in weight, or not weight, I should say weight is obviously lighter, but these are 1100 milliamp volts. Boy, if you could read that. Maybe the QR code will tell me. Well, I can't see it. It's too small. Looks like it says 1000 milliampere. But I've been told it's 1100. Alright, well, we'll check into that later. hope they didn't short me 100 milliamps on each of these. Okay, so move the box out here. What do we got in this right here? Let's see. Unzip it, little puppy. We'll tell you, doing a review with a helmet cam is kind of stooping over like this is like I need like a chin rest. Oh, there we go. Just a moment. Hold on a second. All right, back to the unboxing. This is, oh, there's another box. This is the remote controller. And it, of course, has a QR code on it. Maybe it's just a fashionable thing. Let's put a QR code on it. Yeah. Break this. Oh, pretty strong. Pretty strong. Some antennae. I've heard perpendicular is the way to go. Don't put them out straight like that. Okay. And it has the little knobs here. Go on. Let's turn on. There are only a few twists. Maybe 3 twists on there. Here's the other one. All these other people are comparing how their drone controllers and everything feel compared to other stuff and whatnot. And yeah, to be honest with you, I just feel fine. Feel fine. There's lots of bounce back there. Some things it tells me how to do this when I didn't follow the instructions. That peels off. It comes off. And yeah, the QR code. My understanding, this is to move the gimbal. Of course, your record button, camera picture button, return to home button, power. Well, that's cool. That about does it for this guy. Let's see what we got here. Put this down like this, put this one down like this, and they look like a nice pair. Let's see what's in this little box here. This fits right back in there. Ah, I forgot to take those off. Reminder. Oh yes, these are extra propellers. So kind of them to send extra propellers. Sure hope I don't have to use very many extra propellers. Now the instructions how to put this box back together. Okay, got some extra propellers. I believe there's 12 in there. And this is really light, but this is the battery charger. It's really cool because it has the lights, and the lights are going to tell you how far along the charge is coming. And it's, my understanding, it's a smart charger where it will, whichever one is closest to being first charged will get more of the juice, so to speak. So it charges first, so that everything charges in succession. So that is my understanding. Of course, fashionable QR code here. Keep that out of there. Well, it goes in there deep. Yeah, it's got space for like the batteries. I guess when the batteries are in here, you can just carry it with the batteries. Duh, that's why it's a carrying case. Okay, here we go. We got here another box. Facebook probably under there. Where's the QR code? Where's the QR code? It's just a barcode. Somebody's slacking. Oh, yeah, these are our cables. So you're going to have a USB-C, USB Mini, and a Lightning here. This is going to go in the controller, so it connects up to your phone. And you don't have to use the phone with the Mavic Mini. This controller would work by itself, but it's much easier to be using it with a phone, so you'll be able to know GPS, other conditions and stuff like that, instead of just flying in the dark. This is a screwdriver. So fashionable. Got a barcode. Yeah, barcode. And yes, there are 2 charging cables here, which I thought was a pretty cool idea. And there's something else here. It's oh, 2 of these guys, 2 spare of these guys. That's pretty nice. Alright, well, let's put these guys back in here until I need them. It'll be a little bit later. I'm actually not going to fire the thing up right now. I'm just going to do this quick unboxing and post it up. And well, I'm making a mess here. And look at this little guy. Let me just see something over here. Where's my cell phone? Yes, so this is a Google Pixel 3 XL, which is quite a large phone to begin with, but now you see it? Now you don't. How about that, Chubby? This little guy. Wow. So I guess you gotta pull off all these things. I really don't, oh, there we go. Well, I'm not sure if saying 1 before these, because these don't have any numbers on them to take off. Mavic Mini. As I said, this is the Japanese version, so I'm assuming somewhere under one of these arms on the side it's going to say 199 grams. So let's go here. Let's pull this guy off here. Don't be too harsh. Put this guy over here. Stick the QR code. Fancy. Fantabulous. Awesome. Barcodes. See this right here. Okay, good. No barcode. So go like this. Those props are done. Let me take this guy off here. Holds on the gimbal cover. Nice little gimbal cover there. Let me pull from this side. Alright, you guys can go with the barcode guy. Alright. And then it had the numbers on it, so let's follow the instructions. Unfold front arms forwards. 1, 2. Unfold the rear arms downwards. Okay, so front arms, then back, front to back. That's how you get on the bus. Okay, now, of course, Japan has the 199 grams because in Japan, under 200 grams is not considered a unmanned aerial vehicle. Basically, you still have to follow, this basic safety rules of flying. I mean, you don't want to fly it. You kind of want to respect the rules because Japan, they're really persnickety, nitpicky kind of about rules. Alright, so and this is going to be back here where the battery goes. The battery would go right in here. Pop in like this. Just clicks in like that. And then gimbal, of course, take a nice gimbal cover off like this. Nice little. Oh, he's looking at me. Looks like a shark up here, like a big basking shark or something. Alright, put this guy on. I can figure out how to put this guy on. Oh, there we go. There we go. And there she is. She's pretty nice. Yes, so you want to fly this drone in Japan. Basically, since the DJI Fly app has a geofence in it, it won't fly in restricted areas. And since Japanese people are a little wishy-washy about that, it actually pretty much can be flown almost anywhere. The Fly app, I've played around with it on my phone to look at the areas that are grayed out and whatnot, and they're quite far away from me actually, which is really cool. I can go by my river out here. Those areas that you can't fly this thing are not very many. I mean, you can fly it almost everywhere. Everywhere that I've seen, you can fly a lot. Anyways, well, this is going to do it for now. I just unboxed it, and I still have to learn how to fire it up and charge everything and firmware upgrades. Don't forget to do your firmware upgrades. So, oh, interesting little tidbit. Unmanned aerial vehicles in Japan over 200 grams or more cannot fly higher than 150 meters, which is just under 500 feet. But this little guy doesn't qualify as an unmanned aerial vehicle. It's under 200 grams. So if this guy goes above 150 meters, what say you? Tell me in the comments. Anyways, I don't know how I'm going to use this with my Tokyo scooter guy riding. It doesn't have a follow me kind of thing on it, but I might be able to ride down by the river and have a friend control it or something while I'm doing it and go from there. Anyways, see you on the flip side. Please subscribe, like the video, and maybe I'll have a link or two in there for you getting your own if you live here in Japan. And message me. I'll try to talk to you, Alright, thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Peace.